Hey guys, so behind me I have the Landini Legend 130 and it developed with rust problems and we're going to repaint the tractor. Okay, now I have the tractor all in primer, we're ready for paint. So the big question is, what colour am I going to paint it? Okay, so I've mixed up my paint. I'll just use a screwdriver just to give it a stir. There's a little bit of thinner in there as well to make it flow through the gun. Okay, let's get ready to paint. And what do you think of that? That looks absolutely deadly. So it is as close as I can get to the right shade of paint. Now remember, the paint is going to be 20 years of age, so it's going to look slightly different than original. But yeah, very happy with that. So that's the original paint, that's the new paint, and to my eye they're pretty much identical. So I still have to paint the bonnet, but it looks absolutely brilliant. Okay, now let's paint the side panels. Now I have all the side panels set up. Now time to lay down some paint. Okay, now the best bit is ripping off the newspapers. Now time to remove all the paper from the grill. And now the reveal. What's in the bag? I absolutely love it. There's all the sides on, all painted up. It looks amazing. I'm really impressed how well it's done.